Good morning students, today is 22 September and we are going to start exercise 5.5 question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract the following. Now here question A part is given 5 1 upon 6 from 7 2 upon 3. Now here what we are going to do, we have to subtract 5 1 by 6 from 7 2 upon 3 means इस 7 2 upon 3 में से हमें 5 1 by 6 को माइनस करना है. अब now they both are given in mixed fraction. What we are going to do? Just remember that कभी भी mixed fraction दिया है and we have to add or subtract any given mixed fraction. We will first of all convert it into improper fraction. So how it is we are going to do? First of all we will write 5 1 by 6 equal. Now here we will write this. We will convert it into improper fraction. We will write it like this: 5 multiply 6 plus 1 upon 6 equals. Now we will multiply it. 5 6 is a 30 plus 1 upon 6 is equals to 31 upon 6. Now here this 5 1 by 6 is being converted into improper fraction. That we get is 31 by 6. Now we are going to convert 7 2 upon 3. So we will write it like this: 7 2 upon 3 is equals to 7 multiply by 3 plus 2 upon 3 equals 7 multiply by 3. We will get 21 plus 2 upon 3 equals 21 plus 2 is 23 upon 3. Now we have converted both of them into improper fraction. Ab both of them given numerators are different and denominators are different. So for different denominators what we are going to do, we are first of all going to take out the LCM of the given fractions. So first of all we will write like this: 23 upon 3 minus 31 upon 6. बिकॉज हमने यहाँ 23 अपॉन 3 यहाँ क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि 7 2 by 3 में से हमें 5 1 by 6 को माइनस करना है. सो वी विल राइट इट लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू टेक आउट द एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 6. Because 3 and 6 they both comes in the table of 3, we will take divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are, then 2 1s are and 1s are. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So we will write common denominator as 6. Now 3 के टेबल में 6 comes at seconds place. So we will write it like this: 23 multiplied by 2 minus, then again we will write 31. Now 6 is also here. In both the places we have 6. तो 6 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 6 1s are. So we will multiply 31 by 1. We will calculate it. 23 into 2. 23 multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So we will get 46 minus 31 1s are 31 upon 6 common denominator, and we will subtract it now. 46 minus 31. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So we will get 15 by 6. So because we have converted these mixed fractions into improper fraction, so we have got the answer now in improper fraction. As in the question they were given as mixed fraction, so we are going to write this answer as mixed fraction also. Now what we are going to do to make it into mixed, we are going to divide this 15 by 6. Now 6 1s are is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are is 18. So we will write it 6 2s are 12 minus 3. So here we get 2 as quotient and 3 as remainder. So how we are going to write? We will write OR. Because 6, the number by which we divide, it will come at denominator's place. Quotient will come here and the remainder will come here. So when we multiply and add it, we will get the same number. 6 2s is 12 and plus 3 is 15. So in this way, we are going to subtract the different mixed fractions.